sir. Good morning. Myself Varunan, himself R. Ashwin. Today I am talk about my project is on rainwater detector. This device designing to detect the preservation of rain can be used for video purpose. The main object of this project is creative and affordable and simple system that can be detect rain and trigger are responsible or helping users responsible or problem equipments.
For this project, we are using buzzer, LED light, slide search, blades and BC547 transistor. The rainwater detector works on a simple principle. The rain sensor consists of a metal plate that expands as mesh. When raindrops fall on this plate, it creates a short circuit between the drastic conductive nature of water. This change in conductivity is picked up by the sensor and converted into an electric signal. Based on the signal, the buzzer is activated, alerting us to the presence of rain. Thank you.